Hello again everyone. It's been a really long time since I stopped making long videos because it was hard to producing and consuming this kind of content. I think y'all enjoyed the shorts, I can understand from the analysis. But this video was needed. I get questions about calendar item. Here is the process. Enjoy. Part 1. Shaping. A teacup shaped calendar would be great for the winter. I made another designs like a juice bottle and fish, as you can watch on the short section. Knead the clay until it becomes how I want. Using water to make surface smooth. I'm using a metal ruler as a clay knife and making it wet with a sponge to cut better. Correctability is the first reason that I like about clay, and it never have to be perfect, but can spend time to make it better. I bought these loop pottery tools, but that's not a necessity. It makes the job easier, but I used a paper clip for years. But this kind of tools, I mean like spatula, they are needed. I attached the handle after the cup dried a little bit. If the surface is smooth, air dry and clay won't hold each other. If you can make it on the first try, don't worry. Try to enjoy what you are doing. Making a small niche to put these cubes with the months and days written on them. It's looking like this so far. Now making the cubes. That is the most complicated part of those. Unify cubes for that project. And controlling that if it fits. Smoothing the edges with sandpaper after it dries. Actually, that's the most important step because after coloring, it'll look good. Warning, do not inhale that dust, it can harm your lungs. Vacuuming and cleaning. Part 2. Coloring. Color it as you wish. I prefer the natural tones. Acrylics are my choice. I designed them as sugar cubes. Okay, now the reason why I wanted to make a longer video, number cubes. 3 cubes for numbers, 2 cubes for months. Take a screenshot and save it for later. I use nail polish to giving it a real tea looking. You can use UV resin or something. Part 3. Varnishing. Glossy varnish as always. Leaving a couple of hours to dry well. Part 4. Results. And it's looking like this so far. Thank you for watching.